Have you ever felt emotionally drained after helping others and wished there were a way to stay grounded and energized at the same time? What if a stone could help restore your energy while amplifying your ability to heal and support those around you? Healer's Gold is a striking and powerful stone that isn't just beautiful, it's energetically dynamic. This unique crystal is actually a natural combination of two powerhouse minerals, pyrite and magnetite. Together, they form a stone that radiates grounding, protection, and revitalization, making it a favorite among energy workers, empaths, Reiki practitioners, and holistic healers. Known for balancing the energies between giver and receiver, Healer's Gold helps prevent energy drain while amplifying personal power and spiritual alignment. That's why learning about this stone isn't just about curiosity. It's about discovering a tool that can profoundly support emotional, mental, and energetic balance in your everyday life. Healer's Gold is most commonly found in the United States, especially in Arizona, where it is mined in small quantities. It's not a widely abundant mineral combination, and although not considered extremely rare, quality specimens suitable for metaphysical or ornamental use are not always easy to come by. This makes it a valuable addition to any personal crystal toolkit, especially for those working in healing or caregiving professions. The sourcing process usually involves traditional open pit or surface mining, with the stone being cleaned, cut, and polished for spiritual use or jewelry design. The formation of Healer's Gold occurs when pyrite, an iron sulfide, and magnetite, an iron oxide, come together under the right geological conditions, typically in hydrothermal environments or areas with high volcanic activity. Over time, mineral-rich fluids permeate surrounding rock and crystallize these two minerals side by side, forming a naturally bonded dual mineral stone. It belongs to both the sulfide and oxide mineral families, containing key elements like iron and sulfur. Visually, Healer's Gold features a shimmering contrast of metallic gold from the pyrite and deep black or gunmetal tones from the magnetite. Some specimens may appear more golden or more dark, depending on which mineral dominates the blend. The striking patterns and natural luster make it especially appealing for both metaphysical work and artistic expression. Color variations are a result of the relative amounts of pyrite and magnetite present, as well as environmental factors during formation. While there's no documented use of Healer's Gold in ancient civilizations, since it's not a single historical mineral like lapis lazuli or malachite, the individual components have long-standing associations. Pyrite was used by the Incas and Native American tribes for ceremonial mirrors and protection talismans, believed to ward off negativity and enhance strength. Magnetite was known to ancient Chinese and Greek cultures for its magnetic properties and was considered a stone of attraction and alignment. Together, their energy creates a new age tool with a timeless purpose. Spiritually, Healer's Gold represents the balance between giving and receiving, masculine and feminine, yin and yang. It symbolizes vitality, strength, and energetic boundaries. Its properties make it a stone of empowerment and restoration, often used to recharge the aura and align physical and spiritual bodies. On a physical level, Healer's Gold is quite durable, with a Mohs hardness of around 6.5, thanks to the pyrite content. It has a metallic luster and is opaque in transparency. Energetically, it aligns with the root, solar plexus, and heart chakras, linking one's sense of purpose, stability, and emotional clarity. It resonates with both earth and fire elements, making it a dynamic stone for grounding and transformation. Healer's Gold carries a magnetic, energizing vibration that's both stabilizing and revitalizing. Its healing benefits include boosting energy levels, clearing blockages, and creating a protective energetic shield. It's known to stimulate confidence, willpower, and inner harmony. Emotionally, it helps dissolve fatigue caused by overgiving, enabling empaths and caregivers to maintain strong energetic boundaries. Mentally, it sharpens focus, strengthens determination, and encourages a deep sense of balance between service to others and self-care. In everyday life, Healer's Gold can be used in a variety of practical and spiritual ways. It works beautifully in jewelry, especially pendants, bracelets, or rings worn during healing sessions or high-energy environments. Its metallic sheen adds an elegant and earthy feel, while its energy keeps your system protected and charged. During meditation or spiritual practices, it can be held or placed over the solar plexus or root chakra to enhance grounding and personal power. It's a perfect tool for energy workers, helping to sustain both giver and receiver throughout a session. In the home or workspace, placing healer's gold near your desk, altar, or healing table creates an environment of focus, strength, and energetic protection. To keep healer's gold energetically vibrant, regular cleansing and charging is key. Because of its iron content, avoid using water or salt. Instead, cleanse it with sound, smudging, or place it on a selenite slab. You can also recharge its energy under sunlight for short periods, or with grounding crystals like hematite. At its core, healer's gold is a reminder that giving doesn't have to mean depletion. It teaches us that strength and service can coexist, and that balance is the true source of sustainable energy. It's a crystal that supports those who support others, and empowers those who seek to live with purpose and clarity. If this stone speaks to your soul, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth crystal explorations, and drop a comment letting us know which gemstone you'd love to see next. There's a world of energy hidden beneath the surface. Let's discover it together.